Alright, so now we have, see, it's too much to put in the food processor at one time, so I put a little bit in at a time. And the fierce truth seeker is such an adept at cooking until I don't use like measurements and stuff like that. I don't use measurements and stuff like that. What I do is I go by feel. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take some pink salt and throw some up in there. Alright. Alright, do a little something like that. Okay. I'm gonna put some red wine vinegar in there like that as a preservative. Okay. I'm gonna, let's see, throw some coconut aminos. Alright, I'm gonna throw a little bit of that in there. Oh wait, alright, we're gonna come back.